Well, accused killer Luigi Mangione, he will be back in a New York City courtroom today after an unexpected summons from the judge. NewsNation national correspondent Marcus Espinoza, he is live outside the courthouse. So, Marcus, good morning. Do we know why the judge called this hearing?
Hey, Kelly, good morning. We do not know the reason for this hearing today. In fact, it didn't just catch us off guard or the public, but also the prosecution and defense here were surprised by this order from the judge here for this hearing. He was not scheduled, that is Luigi Mangione, to appear back in state court until May. So this hearing, again, catching a lot of folks off guard as far as to why this would take place. But there may be some tea leaves we can read. So today's hearing just comes days after Manhattan prosecutors asked to move up Mangione's state trial to July 1st. Prosecutors want the state trial to go first because they're concerned over jury issues with the federal trial, instead jumping in front of that. So they are trying to get ahead of that. On the flip side, the defense is worried about a double jeopardy issue. The defense arguing that the two trials right now are too similar. So the defense is raising that concern at this moment right now. As far as other dates that we have to look forward to, because there's a lot of key things right now happening here. Jury selection for Luigi Mangione's federal case, that's expected to be September 8th. Opening statements are set for October 13th, but that all depends on whether or not there's any appeals that could delay that timeline. Last week, a federal judge took the death penalty off the table for Luigi Mangione there. That was a significant move in the federal case there. So one might wonder here what sort of effect that could have on the state case. They're not related in any way. One does not affect the other, but it does beg the question of speed and timeline here. So very curious to see why the judge in this state case has called this again. And then Mangione originally pleaded not guilty to second-degree murder, weapons and forgery charges for the state case that carried 25 years to life, but the federal counts still allow for life without parole. So this surprise hearing could signal whether or not New York moves faster in the state trial here, because with the federal hearings, they breezed past those. Only a single witness brought up in a pretrial hearing there. The judge making a decision on the death penalty decision and then also the evidence inside the backpack within a week from that hearing. So that judge moved very quick. So perhaps we see the state case move forward a little bit quicker than expected. Again, Luigi Mangione, Kelly, was not expected to be back in court until May.
Right. All of it creating a lot of buzz. All right, Marcus, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.